This video will explain how to use the software Tanabutr Creative Printmaker. After installing the software, you will see this icon. Double-click on this icon. Here is the main window. Click on Create a new project. You can create a photo book, postcard, calendar, and guest book by using this software. Here I will show how to create a photo book. Double-click on the photo book icon. Select the hardcover photo book, then double-click. I'm going to create an A4 landscape photo book. Select hardcover photo book A4, then double-click, or click the next button. Type the project name. Here, I will use the project name Baby. Click Create button. The designer window showed up. First, let's import photos for use with this project. You can select photos from this computer, from Facebook or Flickr. Here, I will import photos from a folder in this computer. Select the folders which have photos, click the Select button. I will demonstrate the auto flow feature, which will fill each picture sequentially to each frame. You can see that the default page layout is 1 frame per page. You can change the layout if you would like to. Click the auto flow button. The first photo goes to the back cover. The second photo goes to the front cover. The third photo goes to the first page in the photo book, and so on. Because there are 24 photos, the last page is page 22. From page 23, all are blank pages. I will delete them. First, I selected page 24 to 25. I select the menu page, and select Delete. The software will ask, are you sure you wish to delete the current spread? Click the button Yes. Repeat deleting blank pages until there is no blank page. I will create the title of this photo book. Type the title in the text box. For example, I type Happy Birthday Emma. You can change the font. Also, you can align the text. Now I will show how to adjust or crop a photo in the frame. Double-click the frame which has a photo. You will see a pop-up window. You can adjust the cropping area or size from this window. When you are done cropping, click the OK button. The proportion of cropping area is always the same as the proportion of the frame. I will show how to adjust brightness and contrast. Select a photo. Then, click on the second tab on the right side of the screen. You will see the section Picture Enhancement. First, let's use the Auto Enhance function. For this photo, it didn't give a good result. I uncheck this. I will manually adjust the brightness and contrast. I make this photo brighter by the number 25, and increase the contrast by the number 10. I think it looks better than the original photo. You can adjust the brightness and contrast manually, or use the auto enhance. I will adjust the photo on page 8. Select a photo. Let's use the auto enhance function. After checking the auto enhance, the photo looks brighter. On page 9, I also get a good result from auto enhance. While you are editing, you may save the project from the menu file, Save. Check the brightness and cropping area of each page. When finished, save the project again. Finally, we can order the photo book by clicking on the Add to Cart button.